Hello, good morning, dear children. This is the second part of detailing the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. I have already detailed page numbers 1 and 2, and the link of the video is already given in the description. Today I am going to detail page numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, here, Tricky was taken for surgery, and Mrs. Fumfrey has her entire staff at her disposal to transfer all of Tricky's belongings to the doctor's car. At the surgery, the doctor mixed Tricky with other dogs, but Tricky looked at them with dull eyes and showed no response to them. So the other dogs ignored him. Next, the doctor made a special bed for Tricky in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. The doctor gave Tricky no food but plenty of water for 2 days. Slowly, the dog started showing interest in his surroundings and began mixing with the other dogs at the surgery. Tricky began mixing with Joy, a greyhound. Dear children, meaning of greyhound? A large thin dog that can run very fast. So Tricky mixed with Joy, the greyhound, and started running fast with him. In that way, Tricky had lot of exercises too. On the third day, the doctor saw Tricky licking the empty supper bowls of the other dogs. Next day, a separate bowl was kept for it, and the doctor was pleased to note that Tricky had run. See, children, here for run, the word is given jostling. Okay, it means the Tricky pushed his elbows bumped against the other dogs to eat its food with great pleasure. From that day onwards, its progress was rapid. It didn't require any medicinal treatment of any kind. All the while, Mrs. Fumfrey was anxious to know about the well-being of Tricky. So, she rang to doctor a dozen times a day for the latest information about Tricky. The doctor replied that Tricky was out of danger and was convulsing rapidly. The word convulsing meaning recovering rapidly. She was relieved and started sending lots of things for Tricky. She sent fresh eggs, wine, and even brandy to build up Tricky's strength. None of these things is given to Tricky because the doctor was a tactful and thoughtful doctor who knew how to treat Tricky. So, the writer and others at the surgery feast on them. They enjoyed eating and drinking all the things sent by Mrs. Fumfrey. Actually, Mrs. Fumfrey was sending all these things for Tricky, but she did not knew that it was consumed by the writer and his staff. Therefore, the writer is tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest so that they could get fresh eggs and brandy. The writer could not keep Tricky for long surgery as Mrs. Fumfrey was suffering from the pain of separation without Tricky. After being called by the writer, she came in about 30 feet of gleaming black car, which was a luxurious car with her driver, to take a Tricky after final surgery. The writer walked through the house into the garden and saw Tricky was playing with other dogs. He had a lot of exercises too. Tricky had recovered completely and had been transformed into a hard muscle animal. The doctor treated the dog without medicine or surgery. When Tricky saw her, it jumped into her lap and licked her face. She was so excited that tears started rolling out of her eyes. She declared Tricky's recovery as a triumph of surgery to express her happiness and gratitude towards the doctor. So, a triumph of surgery. That meant the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. That's all the end of chapter 1. Now, children, I have already given to do all the internal textual questions as well as at the back of the chapter 2, but you will not do the last question answer of talk about it, as these questions are long discursive questions to be discussed in groups in the class. Dear students, if you have understood the chapter very clearly, then I hope you would be able to do all the imaginary questions. That's all. Thank you, children. Bye.